I just wanna feel like this, living life, no regrets. Hands up in the air like ooh, nothing's gonna break my mood. Yeah, I just wanna feel like this, feel like this, feel like this, feel like this. I just wanna feel like sun on the beach, new shoes on my feet.
Actually, yung Minecraft na yan, out of nowhere, wala akong idea dyan. Sa totoo lang, siya lahat ang may idea niya.
Favorite na talaga, since nung bata siya, Minecraft talaga, kasi yun talaga ang nilalaro niya. Tsaka, nung tinatanong pa lang namin siya, mga 5 years old siya, pag nag-birthday siya, Minecraft talaga ang gusto niya.
Pero one day, malapit na kaming umuwi, sabi niya, Mommy, I want to celebrate my birthday. I want to celebrate like Minecraft films.
Up in the air like ooh, nothing's gonna break my mood. Yeah, I just wanna.
Kids, paano yung bow kids? One more time. Oh, one more time daw. Isa pa. Oh, isa pa daw. Last na. Oh, last na daw. Kapo.
With my friends,
si Uno, siya yung klase ng bata na mapagmahal, malambing, hindi siya nahihiya na i-express yung kung ano yung nararamdaman niya kahit nasa labas ka, hindi siya nahihiya na yakapin ka.
Maliit pa lang yan, talagang he knows God. And then napaka-sweet, hindi siya madamot magsalita ng sorry, ng I love you. Kaya talagang ramdam mo kung paano pagmahal ang isang ulo.
Happy 7th birthday, Uno!
I just wanna feel like this, living life, no regrets. Hands up in the air like ooh, nothing's gonna break my mood. Yeah, I just wanna feel like this.
Yeah, we shine like gold, shine like gold, shine like gold, shine like gold.
Happy birthday, Uno. Anak, salamat dumating yung pagkakataon na celebrate natin yung birthday mo na nandito kami ni Mom and Dad. Sana maging masaya ka at sana maabot mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo, lagi lang kami nandito ni Mami. Lahat ng makakabuti sa'yo, lahat ng support na kailangan mo, lagi namin ibibigay sa'yo. Anak, mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday. Hope na mag-enjoy ka ngayong simple celebration ng birthday mo. I love you, anak. God bless.
Yeah, we shine like gold, shine like gold, shine like gold, shine like gold.
Happy birthday, you are a special person and I hope your day is as lovely and amazing as you are. Mahal ka namin palagi, mahal ka ni ate palagi. Love you!
I will forever give you comfort the best that I can. I will continue to guide and protect you till my last breath. You are big boy now and you always make us proud.
Hindi siya mamahalin, Miggy. Kasi gusto ko ipaintindi sa'yo na hindi kawalan ng pagkatao, hindi makakababa ng pagkatao kapag nagsuot ka ng mumurahin.
Happy birthday, Uno ko! Anak, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo at saka maging God-fearing. Always put God in the center of your life. Pag lumaki ka, yung puso mo maging katulad ni Papa G. Stay kind, stay generous. Always remember, pag namimiss mo kami ni Daddy, call mo lang yung heart mo and you will feel our love. Okay, mahal na mahal ka namin, mahal ko. Happy birthday. I love you.